Pharero Academy, the learning channel for physics and mathematics. Please subscribe our channel, like it and share it. Let us solve this question. He says let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of the equation x cubed minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, and let Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n plus gamma power n. Find S4 and S5. Means we have to find S4 and S5 means we have to find alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 and plus what? Gamma power 4. Let us see how we can solve this. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots, I can say alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of this minus 2 is 2, and alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. This is plus is minus 1 over 1, and alpha beta gamma will be equal to, I can say it is this one, this is plus, this will be minus 2 upon coefficient of this is minus 2. Now let us see, when we have this thing alpha power 4, this one, we will always find these values S0, S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5 in this way, and we'll be writing this one. Okay, now S0 is equal to alpha power 0 plus beta power 0 plus gamma power 0. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 3. So S0 is 3. Then S1 is clearly alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to 2. So S1 is 2. S2 is actually, it is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. This will be found by the formula. We know in the previous videos I have solved this thing by this way: alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square and minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha gamma and plus beta gamma. So let us put this alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2 square minus 2 alpha beta plus this is minus 1, so this is 4 plus 2, so this is 6. So S2 comes out to be 6. Then let us see S3. For S3 it is just the alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. So you know, for this one I have formula. I have already used this in one of the videos, previous videos. It's sigma alpha, and this is sigma alpha whole square minus it is 3 alpha beta, it's plus 3 sigma alpha beta, alpha beta gamma. So let us see sigma alpha. What is sigma alpha? Means it's sum of alpha plus beta plus gamma, it's 2, and this one is 2 square minus 3. Sigma alpha beta means alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, which is minus 1 plus 3 alpha beta gamma is minus 2. So this is 2 to the 4 plus 3 minus 6. So this will be how much? 4 plus 3 7 2 are 14 minus 6, so it is 8. So S3 comes out to be 8. S3 is 8. I can find S3 in a different way also. If this is the equation, equation is this one. I can find S3 in another way: x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. In terms of Sn, I can write Sn plus 3 minus 2Sn plus 2 minus Sn plus 1 plus 2Sn is equal to 0. For alpha cube means S3, so I can put n is equal to 0. So S3 minus this will be 2S2 minus S1 and plus this will be 2S0 is equal to 0. I want to find S3. S3 will be 2S2 plus S1 minus 2S0. I'll put the values 2. S2 means alpha square plus beta square. If you see the list S2, value of S2 here is 6. All the values are given there. S2 is 6 plus S1 means alpha plus beta plus gamma. S1 is 2 minus 2. S0 is 3. S0 is 3. So this is 12 plus 2 minus 6. So again it is 8. So you can find S3 in two ways. Now S4, I have to find S4 and S5. For S4, I will put n is equal to 1 here. So this will be S4 minus 2S3 minus S2 plus 2S1 is equal to 0. So S4 will be equal to 2S3 plus S2 minus 2S1. Now put the values. S4 2, S3 we have just found 8 plus S2 we have found S2 6 and minus 2 S1. S1 is 2. So S4 coming out to be 16 plus 6 minus 4. So S4 is 22 minus 4, 18. So S4 is 18. Always complete list this one because there can be anything. So you have this thing very easy to find. Now S5, the last thing. For S5, I'll put, since this formula is, again I will write Sn plus 3. Formula is Sn plus 3 minus 2Sn plus 2 minus Sn plus 1 and plus 2Sn is equal to 0. I'll put n is equal to 2. So this will become S5 minus 2S4 minus S3 plus 2S2 is equal to 0. So S5 will be equal to 2S4 plus S3 minus 2S2. Now put the values. All the values on the list. 2S4 is 18 plus S3, if you see the list, S3 is 8 minus 2, S2 is 6. So this will be 36 plus 8 minus 12. So it's 36 minus 4. So this is how much? 32. So S4 is, S5 is 32. I can write it here. S5 is 32. So all these values have been found. Thank you very much.